Getting started with Measure. Look for the icon with the black background and the white and yellow markers on it. It will load up your camera. Move your camera across the surface that you want to measure. You just got to move your iPad back and forth so it can lock on to the surface. When it's locked onto the surface, you'll see a circle with a point in the middle. You then want to click Add Point, and then you can begin measuring. After clicking Add Point, you drag across. Keep going till you get to the end point that you want to measure and tap Add Point again. Now when you zoom out a little bit, you can see the total measurement. You can see this one says 1.2 meters. If you tap that with your finger, it tells you some equivalent measurements. You can also copy this and put it into your notes. Alternatively, you can click on the shutter button here, which we saw in the camera app. That will take a photo and save it to your photo library. If you step back, it will snap onto the shape and you can click Add Rectangle instead of Add Point, and you can see here it will give you all the dimensions. You can also take larger measurements, for example, floor to ceiling measurements. As long as you set the 2 points, it will give you a measurement. You can tap on that and it will give you your approximate measurement. Buttons we haven't covered. If you don't want to keep a measurement, click on Clear and that will get rid of all your measurements. If you just want to undo the last step you did, then click on the back arrow or the undo button there in the top left.